The study skill that I recommend to people and tutees is working and studying together in groups. By studying together in groups, you can look at more confusing concepts at different ways. Usually when students go to a lesson, one student will understand one aspect really well, another student will understand another aspect pretty well, and so on and so forth. So when you get a group of people together who understand each individual bit of concept, everyone can come together and make a clear picture, and so everyone in the group will understand the lesson in its fullness. This also allows for students that are falling behind in class to realize that they need to catch up because they'll see how far ahead their group is. And also, this can help you guys find the best solution to a problem rather than roundabout ways, because by looking at it in different ways, you can look for the best way. By using the group study sessions, when you have one person in the group explain the concept, it helps that individual understand their understanding of the concept, and also the group can correct them if they're wrong, so it can help any misunderstandings. And also, when a student explains a concept to the group, they'll usually explain it in terms that is more easily for their peers to understand, rather than the terms that the professor may have used. And also, hearing the topic again and focusing on it will just be beneficial because you're hearing it over and over. Working together in groups can also keep distractions low, because usually a member or two in the group is very focused on the studying session, so when things start to get out of hand and loud and off track, someone will pipe up and get things back on track. Usually when you're working together in groups, it becomes a regular thing, so this helps prevent procrastination. Members will make sure that the group study session happens, where an individual can say, oh, I'm going to study at 5, and they push it off to 6, 7, 8, and never ever happens. Also, working together in groups can be fun, so you'll be more inclined to do it. Also, reward yourself as a group. Go out, get dinner together, and it'll cause you to want to do it over and over again, so it'll reinforce good study habits. And also, you can learn other study habits from the people in the group. Say one person is really good at note-taking, they can share that skill with the entire group, so the entire group becomes good at note-taking. And lastly, healthy competition can form in the group, because the students will be competing to get the highest grade on a test or a quiz, for example. So you'll be competing against each other to see who gets 100, 90s, whatever. So that is my study skill that I recommend to people, and I think it is a very good one and should be used in conjunction with other study skills.